man, you wanna ride?
Yeah, sure. But first let me take a dump.
Hurry up, man, we have a video to do.
I'm coming, man.
Oh, hello. So this is what I'm going to buy. Some brake pads for the rear axle. They failed on the MOT. I have to get them changed. And I have some light bulbs for the registration plate. Some light bulbs to the headlights and to the turn signals for the rear lights. So let's go and buy this shit and let's get them swapped. Let's start with the fixing of the car. Let's start with this. And this is for the turn signals. We have to get them swapped. And this is the lights. You see why they are so bad? The paint is flaking, so it's not orange enough to pass the inspection. So we have to get those changed. Alright, let's get this open. Come on, man. Alright. Why did I speak Swedish there? We shouldn't do that.
What language are you speaking, mate? You're from England, for fuck's sake.
We have to keep to English, man. I think they're orange enough. I think they should pass. I hope they pass. We'll see. Next thing, registration plates. Come on, mate, back here. I'm going to show you. Oh yeah. And this is how it's supposed to look like. Let's take a new one and put it in. Let's put it in. Let's do it. Fucking shitty car. Fucking hate you, man. I'm going to sell you. I'll never see you again. Now we have to get the headlights out. Yeah, now it's off. Now let's see, these are the ones we're going to change. It's in there. Let's open it and see. Have a look at this. This one failed on the MOT. Let's change it. And this is the new one. In with the new, out with the old. Yeah, that's it. In with ya. Olalla. Se on otteleva. And this is my favorite tool. It makes tire changing so easy and so fast.
Remember to brush.
Your teeth 2 times a day. Ska jag den här får sitta kvar ett tag till.
Engelska.
Alright, I'm very sorry. Alright, this is very easy job. This is 2 bolts. One on the upside, one on the downside, and then you will get the brake pads out. This is a very easy job to do, and it is going to be a 10-minute job, not more than that. And after we've done that, the car is ready for another inspection, and this time she's going to pass. I'm very sure of that. Alright, let's get it off. And this is how they look like. This is the caliper. That's the caliper. And let's get the brake pads off. Just to compare if they are the right ones we bought. And it looks like it is the correct one. Then we can get it off. Oi. Look at this brake pad. There is nothing left on it. There is nothing left on it. Yeah. And this is the other one. It was a little bit better, but still, it has to go. Brush. Brush my teeth. Brush my teeth. Brush. Brush my teeth. Vad är det här för något? Jag vet inte vad det här är för något. Alright. Let's get him on. Let's get some of the copper paste on it. And it's in. And the other one. And the other one. Alright. And that's how you change brake pads on a Subaru. Alright, now it's in. Now we just put everything back together, and then we're ready to roll. I mean, we're ready to brake. Let's push the piston back inside the caliper. Just like that. Just like that. Come on, boy. You can do it. I know you can do it. We should get it cleaned as well. We have to get these off as well, just to get them lubed up. So let's try to break them off. You have to get these lubed up. We have 2 of them. Let's put some copper paste on these as well. And put it back where it belongs. Put some of these as well.
This is the car inspection here in Sweden. We are waiting for our turn. We'll drive in when our registration plate is on the board. Like this Peugeot. It's his turn now. Thing is, French cars never pass inspection. So I don't know why that car is here. I know. You all wanna take a look inside. Now, here's the thing. He's only going to check everything we fixed earlier. So there is really nothing to worry about. He will check the brake pads and the light that did not work the first time. And that's it.
So we finally passed the inspection.
That's a relief.
It was not a big challenge. It was cheap and easy, as you saw there.
And now we get to enjoy this car another year on the public roads.
Yes, and hope you enjoyed this episode, and be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Yeah.